We're rolling. They're organic molecules, and they're organic. Yay!
Hey, kids.
Hey, Mr. Cannon.
What are you doing, Zar?
I'm ready to learn about organic molecules.
Good of you to join us today, because that's what we're going to be studying about.
Yay!
Today, we're going to be learning about the 4 organic molecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids.
Sounds cool.
Oh, it is. First, our first item for the day is a carbohydrate. A carbohydrate is made up of things called sugars, like monosaccharides. And we use this as quick energy. That's what monosaccharides are.
Really?
Yeah. So, some examples of that would be glucose, which is C6H12O6, which is a chemical formula. It's quick energy for the cell. And we have glycogen, which is energy stored in animals, and we have it in our liver too.
Oh, man.
Yeah. And we have starch, which is energy storage in plants. We have cellulose, which is cell walls of plants. Alright. Don't forget your fiber 1 bar.
Sure thing.
Next up on the list is lipids.
You betcha the fatty acid.
We have long-term energy storage, which are fats. Has a little bit in this, you know. And we got phospholipids, the compounds of the cell membrane. Now, they have a head and a tail, and the heads go out and the tails go in around the cell membrane, and they let water in and out.
So they're like a water bottle.
Yeah, you got it, Zar. And then you have steroids, which are regulation of body function. And I hate to say it, but some people take steroids to get bigger and muscular. Alright, now we have proteins.
Boy, oh boy, proteins.
Yeah.
What is that, Mr. Cannon?
Well, it's used for insulin, Zar. People with diabetes have to take it. And it's because their bodies can't regulate enough insulin, so they have to take it manually.
Oh boy, sounds interesting.
Some examples are enzymes, which control chemical reactions, and insulin, which I just talked about, which controls blood sugar, and hemoglobin. It bonds to oxygen in the blood.
Oh.
Alright, so if you ever have diabetes, you'll have to take one of these.
I don't like needles, Mr. Cannon.
Nobody does, Mr. Howard. Alright, next up on the list we have nucleic acids, which is...
Those sound interesting.
Oh, they are. They're found in the DNA strands. DNA contains the code for protein. You know, like...
Really?
Chains and whatnot, yeah. And RNA, which is in the making of proteins. You know, they make the proteins themselves, and the DNA holds the code for that.
Oh, boy. I want to learn about more organic molecules.